In this video, you'll learn how to use the Highlights page. Your Highlights report forms part of your weekly routine as a general manager. It gives you last week's insights and trends to share with your teams and plan your improvements. After logging in, on the left you will see a tab called Highlights, showing a weekly venue-specific roundup on performance. This weekly report is automatically generated every Monday at 8 a.m. and can be delivered to your email inbox. It serves as a roundup of the previous week, offering insights into your performance. The report includes the total number of NPS responses, the overall score, and movements in scores compared to the previous week. Trend lines over the last 4 weeks allow you to compare against the brand average. The report also covers food and drink scores. Towards the bottom are your top-performing dishes from the week. On the right-hand side, you'll see service step completion rates alongside those which have been missed. You can also see any issues flagged in the previous week. Compliments are particularly valuable as they provide positive feedback to share with your teams. Sharing this Highlights report with your team on a Monday can serve as a positive touchpoint, fostering a sense of accomplishment and motivation. It's a great way to start the week by recognizing the team's efforts and successes. For more information, visit our knowledge base.